I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious and nutritious vegetable smoothie. First, select your base greens. Spinach and kale are excellent choices. Next, add about 1 cup of your preferred liquid like water or almond milk to help with blending. Don't forget a healthy fat source, such as a small piece of avocado or a tablespoon of chia seeds, for creaminess and sustained energy. To enhance the flavor and texture of your smoothie, consider adding about 1/2 cup of fruit. Berries or a banana work wonderfully for natural sweetness. For an extra boost, include 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder or a tablespoon of nut butter. Finally, a few ice cubes will give your smoothie a refreshing, colder and thicker consistency, perfect for a hot day. Now it's time to blend. Combine all your ingredients in a high-speed blender and process until completely smooth, which usually takes about 60 seconds. If your smoothie is too thick, simply add a little more liquid until it reaches your desired consistency. Feel free to get creative with customization. A pinch of fresh ginger or a dash of cinnamon can add exciting new flavors. Your delicious and healthy vegetable smoothie is now ready to enjoy. For the best taste and nutritional benefits, I recommend drinking it right away. If you have any leftovers, you can store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep even easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Cheers to your health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.